Hey, so the numbers are out, and unemployment is at a 40-year low. Interest rates are hovering at record lows, and there's about 150,000 people moving to the GTA every year. What exactly does this actually mean for real estate?
In 2019, there was 87,825 sales, which is a 13% increase over the all-time low of 2018.
Digest. I mean, the fact that we know unemployment is at a 40% low, I think that's a good thing. That tells us where we are as Canadians in terms of our economy overall, and the fact that we ranked number 2 around the world. That should be a strong indication of a great place to invest. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely.
100%, and we're seeing it with record low inventory levels. Multiple offers on most of the houses that are going up for sale, condos as well. Rental prices are at all-time highs.
So I think it's one thing that, a lot of people tend to hear all these numbers and really not cue in on what it means for them. So I think the fact that we have a strong economy is a great opportunity for job growth for people, especially those, like, we're in a new year. You might want to consider taking another role or position, and at the same time, like, even investing in real estate too. So it's just not about real estate. It's overall numbers play a huge role in all of our lives, and including in where our business streams go and where we grow as individuals and our families grow as well. You also mentioned interest rates. Like, that's an interesting part. Like, I know there's always all these conclusions out there that at some point that we're going to get back to a normal 5% rate, and at some point we will eventually be there. But it's still record-breaking low to get a mortgage today. Like, I think you have clients that are in that process right now, right?
So last night I was out on a offer situation, and we were the successful candidates for the purchase of this home.
That's great.
We were competing with 24 other offers that were all pretty good offers. We just happened to come out on top because we sweetened the deal a little bit. I think it's important for buyers to remember not to get emotionally attached right off the hop, but to do their homework, but to be prepared to make a decision and make a decision in this market pretty quickly. What we found was that even with a private booked showing, it was like an open house on Monday night when we actually looked at the property. So I think we're going to see that more and more with the inventory being at the level that it's at.
Really the inventory factor.
It's a fantastic time to be a seller because there's just not a lot of inventory. It's a tough time to be a buyer when you're competing with 24 offers.
Because there's opportunity to get in anywhere in the GTA. It's just being alert and being proactive and ready is one aspect. Like, I mean, that's one of the experiences that your clients just went through. Is that right?
Yeah, this was actually the 4th home that they had put an offer in on, and the first one that they had won.
Okay, and that's exciting. I mean, that's a whole new beginning for them, and it's finally nice to see. I always believe that when it's meant to be, it just happens, right? And at the same time, you've got a skilled individual like yourself working for them, then it's gonna happen.
It will happen. Patience is a virtue, and buying a house is the single biggest financial decision you're going to make in your life, and it's also very emotional.
Right.
The good news is real estate is a great long-term investment. It's going to be worth more, and what looks expensive today is going to look cheap tomorrow, and that's traditionally been the case.
And that's what they've said. Like, imagine 10 years from now what the pricing is going to be like. So if you want to get into the market, here's your opportunity to do it. You just got some helpful hints from both Bo, Dana, and myself in regards to what's happening in the real estate market today. What does all of these other factual numbers like interest rates and everything else mean? So if you are considering selling, give us a call, or even investing or getting into this marketplace. Let us be your guides.